Back to WJZ News. You're taking a live look at the harbor as we are tracking a coastal storm and preparing for some rainy and windy weather inland. Thank you for joining us for the news at 7:30. I'm Grace Grill. The weather is top of mind for us all, so let's get right over to First Alert meteorologist Steve Sosna, who has been timing it all out for us. Hi, Steve.
Hey there, Grace. Happy Saturday to you. A lot of people enjoyed today. It wasn't really that bad of a day. We had a few evening showers push on through, but for the most part, it was dry. Tomorrow, probably a little bit more in the way of rain, but I'll show you the latest trends here. They're actually working in our favor with this storm. So a few passing hit or miss sprinkles and showers this evening. We still have the coastal storm. It's still on board for tomorrow, but the track is different. It's further to the east. That will lessen the impacts inland, but make them greater at the coast. Here you go. You can see some of those showers there on First Alert radar. Moving through the city now, we have that area of low pressure. We'll show you how that impacts us. In the 60s now. We'll see those temperatures here not really slide too much overnight. A few showers on board. We'll show you the Ravens forecast for tomorrow. It's improving. We'll show you that, plus who gets coastal flooding coming up in your full forecast. Grace, back over to you.
Steve.
Yeah, no, not at all.
More worried about that football game we got going on tomorrow.
I know you're going to be outside here tomorrow. A lot of people are going to be outside here tomorrow. I think the trend is your friend, though. We've been talking about these trends since Friday, whether the storm would be waffling closer to the coast or away from the coast. Good news is, if you're going to be out and about here tomorrow, this thing is waffling a little away from the coast. So the impacts will be felt more at the beaches and along the bay than it will be in areas Baltimore at points north and west. We're going to get some rain out of it, no doubt about it, but we're not going to get anything heavy. So the coastal storm will bring us some showers and wind. The wind will be worse right along the bay and at the beaches. And then after we get rid of this storm system, a nice fall stretch of weather coming in here for most of next week. For the bulk of your evening, it's cloudy. It's temperatures in the 60s, maybe a passing sprinkle or shower from time to time. There's a lot of hours of this evening that are going to be rain-free, as the parent storm of this is down to our south. This still will be a nor'easter, but it's going to be kind of elongated, and we will be on the western fringe of it. So the alert day is in effect for Sunday, but this is mainly geared for areas along the bay and at the beaches. This is where we could see 10 to 15 foot waves down in Ocean City and Rehoboth. Otherwise, occasional inland showers, but not a windswept steady rain all day long. There will be hours tomorrow where it's not raining at all. Wind gusts around 30 miles per hour in Baltimore, 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts at the beaches. Here's 9 o'clock on Futurecast. Notice how it's dry, but these random pop-up showers, 4 a.m. in the morning. There's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Notice nothing going on around Baltimore, but by 4 o'clock, the other quarters of the game could be wet at times. So generally just cloudy tomorrow at the game. Have a poncho with you, but otherwise our rainfall amounts here generally between 1/4 and 1/2 inch for Baltimore City. So we kind of dodged a bullet from a big, significant, sizable storm here. But at the beaches, it will be a tough day. 65 on your Sunday, 63. Showers still lingering on Monday. And then look at that beautiful stretch of weather. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week. Sunshine, mornings in the 40s, highs in the 60s and 70s. Grace?